So I'm in the bathroom here. On the other side of this wall is the microwave. See what it's reading now. RFs, it's reading zeros. So let's go turn on the microwave and come back real quick. Alrighty, let's go. Don't mind the mess. Ooh, something just happened walking through there. I don't know. Back through here. I don't know if I had it on film last time, but let's try this. This microwave's leaking. I don't think 49,77,000, 170 something thousand ain't probably too good. What's that? But let's try that. I'm gonna start it right now. I know it's not good to run your microwave with nothing in it, but you know, it's for science. Okay, got 47 seconds. Back to where I was before. So let's say you just la-da-da taking a shower. Someone's microwaving food. You can see it's not terribly bad, but it says medium, I think. Oh, there's high right there. So that's just from it's the other side of the wall there, you know what I'm saying? Alright, so now you know. Keep children away from microwaves and small animals, and you know, small animals like this guy here. That guy's name is Gizmo, and he's got a tongue. Gizmo. I gave him some people food, so that's what he wants right now. He's content on have some more people food, but he just can't do it now. He's not focused. He's not coming in focus there, but there's a dog there. Is that up low there? Oh, something's wrong with my camera, I guess. Oh, there he is. Gizzard. Gizzy. He's Gizmo. See his tongue there? He's funny. He's a funny looking dog, but hey, he's cool. He's cool people. Alright. Here's a electrical panel. I don't know if y'all can see that, can you? It's on an EMF now. It says it's on high. Got the panel door open. Let's shut it. And, that dropped it down some. I'm shutting it, but as you can see, the EMF, I don't know if you can see the graph chart at the bottom. That one does that for sure. So electrical EF right there. See the graph there at the bottom. It's a cool little meter. Alright, there we go. It makes noise when my hand touches it. That's because this is probably because electricity runs for me. I don't know how that works. Okay, let's change it over to, there's EF, no, RF. We already did the microwave. radio frequency. See the VM's all oh, you see that oh man, you can't see nothing, can you? Son of a bitch, there we go. I guess that's better. So, you know, I don't know exactly what the numbers are. I'm new to this, or what it, you know, what it should be and whatnot. But when it's flashing like that, of course you're not gonna have your head right next to it, but no, you will be this far out for sure. It's not too bad, I guess, just walking by like that. Get too close though. Then, you know, put a dog outside. Yeah. Guys, when you want to go outside, buddy? Let's go outside. There you go, buddy. He doesn't want to go outside. There it is. He's up.